Do you want to earn $250 per hour using Google Translate? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you the method by which you can earn money from Google Translate right in this video. You just have to watch till the end of this video if you really want to earn $250 or even more from just using Google Translate. But before that, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, I'm Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can really earn $250 per hour using Google Translate or even more. The more work you do, more money you can make. Definitely, you just have to follow the strategy that I will explain in this video. So jump back into Google Translate. So what is Google Translate? You already know it. Google Translate, you can go over to translate.google.com and you can see this page right away. This is the left text box and right text box. Left text box has a text that you want to translate and the right text box has the language that you want to translate that text into. So if you see in the left text box, left bottom corner, you can see that there is a mic icon here. By pressing that, you can just write anything by just speaking. For example, if I click on this and hit allow, and you can see that all it hears from me, it's writing it out into the text box. Maybe heard it wrong or right, but mostly it's more than 90% accurate, and this is really cool to work with this method. But as we are going to use Google Translate to earn money online, you can see I have said some words and it's almost 90% accurate with that, and it's already translated into Spanish here as I have selected the Spanish language here. So what's the catch here? We use this tool to earn money online from some sites that I'm going to reveal right now. I'm going to show you 3 sites by which you can start getting paid for doing or for using Google Translate. So let's jump back into the first site that I'm going to show you right now is called GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript.com is a really good transcription service. Yes, we are doing transcription jobs here. Yeah, this is you don't worry, it's just an easy job. You just write something. If you just know basic English, you are good to go with this job. You just use some audios people will provide you and just turn it into text format and you are good to go with that. If you're good at listening English and writing it out as it is, then you are really good to go with these jobs. And I believe if you're watching this video, you definitely can do that. So the first site, GoTranscript.com, is a good site. It's going to pay you up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. So it's not that much because this is the first site. I'm going to show you the 2 more sites that are going to pay you more for that, but in combination all these 3 sites are going to give you much more money. So the first site is going to 60 cents per audio or video minutes you transcribe. So average earning per month is $150, but you can see in the right top monthly earnings people are earning from these sites is $1,200. So this is the target money that we are going to achieve in this method. So definitely if you follow exactly, you can definitely achieve $1,000 or more per month, which is really good earning amount that you love to earn. So if you go to this website, you can scroll down, read it out how it works. It's reliable site to work with, and you just more work you do, more skill you will get and more higher paying opportunity you will get. You can work anytime, anyway, anywhere. It's just flexible hours. They're going to provide you jobs that going to work you without any problem. So this is the site that really good to start if you just new in transcriptions and want little money to start with. So if you just want more money, and then I would recommend the second site that is going to give you more money than GoTranscript, and the second site that I'm going to show you right now. But before that, if you are already liking this video, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you always stay with my new videos. So let's move on to the second website that I'm about to show you. Is called gmrtranscriptions.com. gmrtranscription.com is another solid and good trustworthy site that are working since 2004. You can see that, and it's a really trusted site that going to give you money without any hassle, and you can work without any hassle as well. So you can scroll down, you can go through the site, you can see that they are working with big brands like McDonald's, Dell, Amazon, Discovery, you can Microsoft. So even these are all big company. You can see that they are working with, and this is a really solid company that you can start your transcription career without any problem. And as this is the founder of GMR Transcription, and he's saying that our primary goal is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by offering accurate transcription and translation service. So this is the top quality transcription service you can start with. So all you have to do is just move back up on the menu, and you can see that there is career options. You just click on careers and it will show the page like this, and current job openings are going to show here, and you can see that they have general transcriptions or Spanish transcriptions translator. They're required that, and also they are recruiting certified translators. So if you just don't have any certificate, you can go with general transcriptions. That's okay with that. And if you just can do Spanish transcriptions, you can change the way you work. So how you can do that? You can do, already I have transcribed in Spanish. You can see I used Google Translate to transcribe some text and translate it into Spanish. So this is a Spanish transcription you can do without any problem. So this is the site, this is the way you can go apply with general transcriptions or Spanish transcriptions. Any way you like, just click here to apply and start working with this. But the third website that is going to give you even more money without doing other than these two websites, which is GoTranscript and gmrtranscription.com. Both are better, both are good, definitely, but the most money you can make with transcription jobs, if you really love transcription job and you're really good at it, then definitely I'm going to show you the third site. But before that, please go down below, like the video and do subscribe with my channel. So the third website that I am about to show you is called rev.com. Yes, rev.com is the perfect site that going to pay you more than anyone in the transcription field. So this is a great site. I used personally, I used their service. They are top quality service provider for transcription job. So this is a really cool site, and they are asking for $1.25 per minute for transcriptions. So this is for the buyers who want their transcription job done by them. And they have, you can see that they are super trusted and super awesome, and they are working with big brands already. You can see that they are working with Microsoft, Amazon, Visa, CVS, Viacom. You see bigger companies are working with rev.com, and they are really popular in this field. They have automated transcriptions, English captions, some subtitles, foreign subtitles, automatic live captions for Zoom, and more service like that. More opportunities for you to earn money from this. But how you can start transcription job with rev.com? All you have to do, just scroll down below and see in their about sections, here is careers. You just click on it, it will show the page something like this. This is the career page of rev.com, and rev.com is a really good site that you can earn more money by just doing transcription jobs you already do. So you can see all peoples from all over the country are working in rev.com and earning a good amount of money with this site. And in combinations, these are the three sites that you're going to use, and you can definitely earn more than $250 per hour or even more. The more work you do, more experience you will gain, and you will get more higher paying jobs from all those transcriptions companies. And all these three, gotranscript.com and gmrtranscript.com and rev.com, all are three top tier transcription service. But I recommend you start with GoTranscript, then you start with gmrtranscription.com. Then when you go in an expert level, you apply for rev.com, and then you will earning money opportunity will skyrocket, and you will make lots more money than even $1,000 you can earn within a day. And so this is the way you just work. You have to be active, and then money will follow you. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button, and be active always. Always do what I ask you to do, then definitely you're going to make money online. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.